Is your dishwasher making that dreaded grinding noise? Or maybe it's finishing the cycle, but the dishes are still covered in soap scum. You're likely dealing with a failed circulation pump. Instead of paying hundreds for a repair technician or, worse, buying a whole new dishwasher, replacing the pump assembly is often the secret to getting another 5 years out of your machine. This is the WD26X10053 replacement circulation pump and motor assembly. The main benefit here is that it's a direct fit replacement. It solves the issue of water not being distributed properly, which is the root cause of "my dishes aren't getting clean" complaints. It includes both the pump and the motor, so you're addressing the wear and tear components in one go. Is it worth the money? If your dishwasher frame and racks are still in good shape, then absolutely. A new dishwasher today can cost you $600 to over $1,000. If you're at all handy with a screwdriver and a wrench, spending a fraction of that on this part is a no-brainer. It effectively hits the reset button on your appliance's performance. Things to consider before buying. This isn't a plug-and-play task. You will need to pull the dishwasher out, disconnect the water and power lines, and get underneath it. If you're not comfortable with basic plumbing and electrical safety, you might want to call a pro, but even then, buying the part yourself can save you a significant markup. Also, always double-check your specific dishwasher model number against the compatibility list before ordering. Even if it looks like the right part, these internal components can be very specific. Who is this for? This is perfect for the DIYer who wants to avoid the throwaway culture of modern appliances. If you're methodical and don't mind getting your hands a little dirty, this is one of the most rewarding home repairs you can do. If you have zero experience with tools or prefer to have a warranty-backed professional handle your repairs, you might want to pass. It's a simple, functional fix for a very specific, very annoying problem. If this looks like the right fit for your repair, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this helped you get your kitchen back in order, please hit that like button, share it with someone else trying to save a buck, and subscribe for more gear and repair tips.